All right, camera is back on. All right, try to lean back, get the weight on the tire. Yeah, stay on the ground. There you go. There you go. There you go. Straighten it out. Attaboy, you got it. That's it. You made it. That's the hard stuff.
It is hard when you see that kind of stuff on YouTube, man. And, you know, they always tell you, just get up on the pegs, like while you're bouncing around getting started.
Yeah. Yeah. That's why you try to keep your momentum. That's just one thing I've learned, is you try to hit it with some speed. If you try to start from the dead, that's where it gets difficult. All right, go ahead. We're here with Chaotic Detour on the Africa Twin. There we go. You can talk and ride. Love to talk and ride. Maybe we need first gear instead of second. Yeah, especially when he's got it, when it's a taller gear to begin with. Woohoo! Hopefully this tree is not in the middle of the road because, is it?
Neutral.
Yeah, that is definitely broken. Oh, there's another one up there. We could go around that way, but I don't know if we want to go bushwhacking.
I don't know, that'd be really useless, Mike.
Yeah, well, that was short.
Valve on my part. Second gear start, then neutral.
Alright, so. Woohoo! There you go, use the tree to bounce off of. I love it. I swear sometimes it seems like half of my videos is me turning around. So we're going to take a left, correct? Is that what we decided?
Yeah. So.
Let's go down a little bit and we'll look at the GPS. Oh yeah, cool breeze. Even cooler because our t-shirts are wet.
I don't do good in crowd. Don't do well.
Yeah, there you go.
You probably have proper English teacher.
I wasn't going to point it out. I'm more of the math guy. But yeah, that's always funny how, you know, you should use the word well to describe a verb. If you're doing, that's a verb, so you should say well. Not good. Maybe not. I don't know. That was called Tower Bend or Tower Road or something, and Tower Trail. And we couldn't make it because the tree was down. If we'd have had some crazy two-strokes, we probably could have made it. But there's some nice little bumps. I'm going to take the inside. Yeah, it's still not my forte for sure, especially on street pressure. Woo! But I'm glad that Chaotic Detours has come down. It was fun to meet other YouTube guys and other guys with like minds. It always gives me a good excuse to get out and go ride. In the middle of volleyball season, it's always nice. What's that?
Is that what you coach?
Yeah, volleyball.
Okay.
We got our first game of the season coming up on Tuesday.
Yeah, I didn't know if it was football or...
Nah. Girls are a lot more entertaining. Some people would say a lot more difficult.
Yeah.
But,
Drama?
yeah, it can be. I mean, it's funny how their emotions are so tied to how they perform. You know, they'll go through emotion swings, and 5 or 10 minutes they'll be like doing well to doing bad to doing back to well to back to bad, just all in 10 minutes. Yeah. They tend to focus more on the negative than on the positive. So, my job is a lot of times just pumping them up and making them feel better, and moral support, pointing out the good things, because they'll remember the bad. But coaching boys is, I don't know, I mean, I wouldn't say it's easy. I definitely would not say it's easy, but they're a bit easier, in my opinion.
I mean, I can imagine that age, you got the hormones and everyone's trying to find their spot.
Yeah.
Drama,
But the boys are becoming more sissified, I guess is a good way to put it. They don't do the manly things that kids have done in the past, at least in my area.
I think that's pretty rule of thumb everywhere.
If it's not scheduled on their calendar, like, to go play, like their parents haven't set it up as some kind of a play date or something, they don't play, So I saw it on the news just last night. My wife and I were watching the national news, and they said that there's this place, I don't remember where, but the people have gone and basically taken the parents out of the game. And on Tuesday nights, they bring all the kids together and let the kids play without the parents being there. And the kids love it. And I'm like, I mean, they're playing baseball at the time, but they're out there, and we're going to park right here. And the parents are like, the rules are the kids make up the rules. It's kid-led, basically. And they don't allow the parents to be involved at all. So and I'm like, it's my childhood, we used to get 12, 15 guys together and go play pickup baseball.
Yeah.
And that's what it is. It's just, they're playing baseball out in a field. And I'm like, that's my life when I was a kid, They don't know how to do that these days.
We had, like 3-on-3 football games all the time.
Yeah, they don't do that anymore.
One guy that was quarterback all the time.
Yeah, bring your still camera. Yeah, they don't do that anymore. They don't go out and have a pickup game. A lot of times it's because, a lot of these parents are afraid that they'll get stolen or something.
Sure.
So that's part of it. Another part of it is that they all got some kind of device attached to their head or their fingers or their thumbs, So that's part of it. But this is called Buzzard's Roost. One of my very first videos was coming out here doing this when I was following some dual sport guys. Back when I was the young one. And they were all older than me. Yeah, I knew that question was coming. No problem. No problem. Yeah.